new video on how to change Temu email. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started. So first you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and type Temu and press enter in the keyboard. After that you just have to search for the search result that has Temu, and when you find it just click on it and the Temu of your website will open right in front of you. And when you are inside your interface, you just have to look in the top right corner. There is order an account option. You just have to click on it or hover around it and the pop-up box will appear, and you just have to scroll down the options in the pop-up box until you find account security, and you just have to click on the account security. And when you are inside account security interface, there is an email section, and right next to it there is an edit button. You can just click on the edit button, and firstly they will send you a verification code, and when they send you a verification code just search for that your email and type in the verification code, and after that you will be able to change your email successfully. So this is how you can change your email in Temu. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.